What if I told you that you could fit a movie theater in your backpack? Today we're counting down the top 5 compact projectors that are literally redefining what portable entertainment looks like. From projectors that fold like phones to ones with touchscreen magic, we've got some mind-blowing tech to show you. Trust me, number 1 is going to make you question why you even bought that expensive TV. And if you see one you love, I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Coming in at number 5, we have Samsung's The Premier 5. And this thing is absolutely wild when it comes to compact and interactive projection. Priced around $2,500 to $3,000, it's definitely premium territory. But the tech packed into this little beast is honestly pretty incredible. This ultra-short-throw projector can blast up to a 100-inch image from just 17 inches away from the wall. That's basically magic if you ask me. But here's where it gets really cool. It has an infrared camera and laser module that lets you literally touch and interact with the projected image like it's a giant tablet. Imagine playing games or browsing the web by just tapping on your wall. It's got triple laser technology for vibrant colors and full HD resolution that looks crisp even at massive sizes. The interactive features are where this projector really shines though. You can draw, annotate presentations, or even play touch-based games directly on your projected screen. It's perfect for business presentations or family game nights where everyone wants to get involved. The setup is surprisingly simple too. Automatic screen correction means you don't need to spend 20 minutes adjusting keystone settings like with older projectors. The built-in smart features run Samsung's Tizen OS, so you've got Netflix, YouTube, and all your streaming apps right there without needing any external devices. At number 4, we've got the Aurzen ZIP, and this is hands down the most innovative design I've seen in the projector space. Originally launching for $400 but available for pre-order at $250. This little guy is rewriting the rules on what portable really means. The Zip features a tri-foldable design that measures just 3.1 by 3.1 by 1 inch when closed and weighs only 9.8 ounces. That's literally smaller than most power banks. When you unfold it, it transforms into a fully functional DLP projector with a built-in gimbal system that automatically adjusts the projection angle. It's like watching origami come to life. But for tech nerds, the engineering here is seriously impressive. They've managed to pack a legitimate cinema experience into something that fits in your jacket pocket. The projection quality is surprisingly good for something this tiny, though you'll want to keep your expectations realistic given the size constraints. The brightness could be better, and the battery life isn't amazing. But when you consider that you can literally unfold a movie theater anywhere you go, those compromises start to make sense. It's got built-in speakers that are decent enough for personal viewing, and the whole thing charges via USB-C. Perfect for camping trips, hotel rooms, or anywhere you want to turn a blank wall into entertainment central. It's not going to replace your home theater setup, but as a travel companion, it's absolutely revolutionary. Number 3 on our list is the Anker Nebula Capsule 3 Laser. And this is what I'd call the best portable all-rounder you can get right now. Typically priced between $800 to $1,200. It hits that sweet spot where you're getting serious performance without breaking the bank completely. This thing looks like a fancy Bluetooth speaker, but don't let that fool you. It's packing some serious projection tech inside. The laser light source means you're getting much better color accuracy and brightness compared to traditional LED projectors, and it can throw a crisp image up to 120 inches. The 1080p resolution looks fantastic, and the autofocus and keystone correction work so well that setup is literally just placing it down and pressing play. It's running Android TV 11, so you've got access to basically every streaming service you could want without needing to plug in any external devices. What really makes the Capsule 3 Laser special is how it balances performance with portability. The cylindrical design isn't just for looks. It helps with heat dissipation so the projector can maintain consistent brightness and color accuracy even during long movie marathons. The built-in Harman Kardon speakers are surprisingly good, with enough bass that you probably won't need external speakers for most content. Battery life is solid at around 2.5 hours of projection time, and it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker when you're not watching anything. It's the kind of projector that works equally well for backyard movie nights, business presentations, or just moving your Netflix binge session to the bedroom ceiling. Taking the number 2 spot is Samsung's The Freestyle 2nd generation, and this is the ultimate smart portability champion. Priced around $800 to $1,000, it's bringing some seriously clever features that make it perfect for anyone who wants cinema-quality projection with zero hassle. The design is absolutely genius. It looks like a small spotlight that can rotate 180 degrees. so you can project on walls, ceilings, or even outdoors without any complicated mounting systems. The auto-leveling and autofocus features are so good that you literally just point it somewhere and it figures out how to make the image look perfect. It's got full HD resolution with HDR10+ support, and the LED light source is rated for 20,000 hours, so you're basically never going to need to replace a bulb. The color accuracy is impressive, and it can go up to 100 inches with surprisingly good brightness for indoor use. But here's where it gets really smart. This thing runs Samsung's Tizen OS with full smart TV functionality. Plus, it's got some unique features like ambient mode that can turn any surface into a piece of art when you're not watching content. It's got built-in Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and even supports wireless screen mirroring from your phone or laptop. The battery base is optional but gives you about 3 hours of runtime, making it perfect for outdoor movie nights or camping trips. What really sets it apart is how seamlessly it integrates with Samsung's ecosystem. If you've got Samsung phones or smart home devices, everything just works together perfectly. It's not just a projector, it's like having a smart TV that you can take anywhere. And finally, our #1 pick is the Valerion VisionMaster Pro 2, the absolute best premium compact projector of 2025. With pricing around $3,999, it's definitely an investment. But the performance you get for a compact projector is honestly mind-blowing. This thing is packing 3000 ISO lumens of brightness with a 4K RGB triple laser system that delivers 110% Rec.2020 color gamut and a 15,000:1 contrast ratio. That's professional cinema-level specifications in a projector you can actually move around. The image quality is so good that it rivals dedicated home theater projectors that cost twice as much and weigh 3 times more. It supports every HDR format you can think of: Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and IMAX Enhanced. And the color accuracy is so precise, it makes regular TVs look washed out in comparison. What's really impressive is the versatility. It's got 0.9 to 1.5 to 1 optical zoom, so you can get massive images even in smaller rooms, and it can scale up to 300 inches if you've got the wall space. The Google TV OS integration is flawless, with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, so everything runs buttery smooth. For gamers, the 4 millisecond input lag at 1080p 240 Hz is absolutely incredible. This thing can handle competitive gaming better than most TVs. The build quality feels premium. The cooling system is whisper quiet, and despite all this power, it's still compact enough that you could realistically take it to a friend's house for movie night. If you want the absolute best portable projection experience money can buy, this is it.